Simple English sentences for daily use. The cat is sleeping. I need water. Please close the door. I forgot my keys. Can you help me? I am tired. She likes coffee. Where is my phone? It is cold outside. I will call you. We need more milk. Can I have some bread? The bus is late. I am going now. She is at home. Let's eat lunch. Please turn off the lights. I am studying now. It is raining today. I love this song. Do you have a pen? He is watching TV. I am cooking dinner. They are coming soon. I need to rest. She reads books. I will meet you there. Please sit down. We are ready to go. He forgot his wallet. We should leave now. I will see you tomorrow. Can you pass the salt? The store is closed. I am feeling better. She went to bed early. Please open the window. The food is hot. I forgot to call her. It is a beautiful day. I need a break. She is baking cookies. I am writing an email. Can you come here? The phone is ringing. I am running late. He is playing outside. I want to go home. She bought new shoes. The dog needs water. I need to charge my phone. The car won't start. Please wash the dishes. I am listening to music. We are having dinner. She is driving now. Can you find my book? I need to buy groceries. He is making breakfast. The kids are playing. I have a headache. The movie starts at 8. Please close the window. I am taking a nap. She is on the phone. We need to talk. I am reading a novel. He is walking the dog. It's time for bed. I will call you later. She likes to swim. The light is broken. I am feeling hungry. Please send me the link. We are out of sugar. He is at the gym. I forgot to lock the door. The coffee is ready. Please turn down the music. I will finish this later. She is going to the store. Can you fix this? I am leaving now. The mail has arrived. I need to see a doctor. The kids are asleep. I am cleaning the house. She has a new job. Can you drive me home? The door is stuck. I am going to bed. The TV is too loud. I need a cup of tea. She is studying hard. The internet is slow. I am working from home. How much does this cost?